Again for another cryptocurrency update, and I try to release one video as often as I can on what I think is the best setup in the cryptocurrency market. Today I'm talking about Bitcoin reaching 4,000. To be honest, I did not expect it to get here this quickly. Here we are, already approaching 3,000. We've already cracked 3,900, only $100 to go until that big number, that big round number. We broke 3,000 only on August 5th, so that was about a week ago. So in 1 week, we've risen about 30% from 3,000 to almost 4,000. Pretty quick, and probably the fastest rise in Bitcoin history so far. So what's going to happen now? Is it going to go up to 10,000? Is it just going to go to the moon? Well, I think eventually in the long term, yes. But in the coming days and weeks, if you're in a trading mentality, if you're an active trader, if you're looking for a trade in the coming days and weeks, then I don't think it's a good time to enter. I don't think you should be getting in now looking for a break of 4,000. I really think we're going to get a pullback and fall back down somewhere to 3,500 or maybe 3,000, where we broke out back on August the 5th. Now, right now, we have a lot of global instability with North Korea versus America. We have chaos in a lot of countries. We have political turmoil around the world, and especially in Asia right now. You know, a lot of people are using Bitcoin as a store of value, something like gold. So I expect gold to be going up in the coming days and weeks, as well as bonds, another safe haven asset. And Bitcoin is just another one of those flight to security. Even though it's a very volatile market, it's something that people can depend on more than their fiat currencies in a country like Korea, where the currency would crash if there's some kind of conflict. The same with the States or in China. So I think that's a big impulse. Plus, you just have a lot of press coming out right now. I mean, Google searches are off the charts like they've never been before. More people are talking about Bitcoin, hearing about cryptocurrencies, so a lot more money is coming into the market. So all of these factors means that we had the biggest rise in Bitcoin since July 17th until today in the history of Bitcoin. Incredible. Now, if we're looking for a trade, then I really think you want to take your profits around the 4,000 target, which was our initial target. My first target was 3,765, which we passed today, and my next target is 4,000. So I think we're going to hit 4,000, and I really think there a lot of people are thinking the same thing. That's a psychological level. Computers don't care about the number 4,000. Only people care about that number, and at that number, a lot of people are probably going to take some profits off the table. So I expect we're going to get a pullback. And if we have some stability come into the market, you know, if they have some kind of lull in this game of chicken when it comes to World War III, then I think you might see people getting out of Bitcoin and going back into the stock market. So that would give us a pullback. And that's where we want to be ready. We want to be ready when it pulls back so we can reload and get in for the next bump. Where's that going to be? Well, it depends on the level that we finally end up at. I'm going to do another video when we finally reach 4,000 and we have a top, and we'll make a projection, probably somewhere back around 3,500 or 3,300 or 3,000. If we hit any of those levels, I'm going to be watching for some stability. I'm going to be watching for a consolidation pattern like this triangle here that we had on the way up, or this big consolidation pattern that formed in July and June. You know, that was a great time to buy in, to accumulate, right? That is the accumulation phase. When it comes back down from 4,000, I'm going to be looking for some consolidation. I'm going to look for a basing pattern, a bottom, somewhere around those levels. And that's where we want to get in. We want to get in when things are consolidating, when we see some support. We don't want to catch a falling knife, as they say. We don't want to catch a price that's crashing. And we also don't want to get in when the price is rising, because if we get in here, then our risk reward is pretty bad. If we get in here, the price could fall all the way back down, or the price could break 4,000. Well, the risk of falling is much greater because we've already risen about 30% in a in just a week. So the pot odds are against us. So we want to just make the best decision that has the best odds. It's really all about odds. Once you get into trading, you realize that the way you make money is managing your risk and playing the odds. It's not about making the best guess or analyzing the global situation and making a play. It's really just about making a decision, sticking with it until you hit your targets, and managing your risk. Don't take off too many, don't bite off more than you can chew, right? Stay small, guys, because this cryptocurrency market is really volatile. So again, we're gonna hit 4,000. I think that's really exciting. I think that's really strong. We have overbought conditions in the RSI. Now, many people say that overbought means it's time to sell, but again, guys, that's not true. Overbought means there's a lot of momentum that a lot of people are buying, right? It's a momentum indicator. It means that more people are buying than selling. That is a positive factor. So yeah, maybe we pull back from this position, but what it means is that it's a good place to enter when we have some support because the momentum is in our favor. The momentum is up, guys. This is a trend and we are following it. We're just looking to get in at pullbacks and sell on the pops. So that's the update for 4,000. Leave me comments under the video. Check out some of my affiliate links and sign up for some platforms. I recommend a few platforms, and leave me a tip in Bitcoin if you like my work, because I'm trying to put out more videos. I want to get better at this, and I just want to educate because I've been doing trading for 5 or 6 years and got into cryptos in the last year, but those same principles apply. Stocks, options, futures, forex, those same principles apply for cryptocurrency market, and it's really exciting because it's so volatile that you can really make a lot of money, but you can also get your head ripped off. So be careful for the dragons out there, guys, and see you